Welcome back to our series on What Would Your Blender Ask? Coaching wisdom from your kitchen. And again, I know your blender probably isn't asking you things, but we're going to use our kitchen as metaphors to help us think about things. And so right now, we're going to be thinking about our lemon squeezer, our lemon juicer. And of course, if I want juice out of a lemon, I could squeeze the lemon, but putting it in a juicer gives me leverage. It makes it come out easier with no seeds. So the question I want you to ask yourself is, where do you need a little bit of leverage in work or life, right? Leverage is something that makes a job easier. It gives you extra power and energy. So maybe you need a little bit of leverage in your career. And one of the ways that you can do that is by taking a class or a certification. Maybe you need a little leverage, something to make it easier in your personal life. So you need somebody to maybe help you clean your house or watch your kids. Not wash your kids. You can do that yourself. So think a little bit about the wisdom from this lemon juicer. Where could you use a little bit of leverage in work and life? Stay tuned for future videos and check out the ones you've missed.